everywhere.
Nice job, honey.
Now put them in first.
Here.
There's more over there.
It's more over here.
Oh, get those too. Put them in your basket.
There,
Okay, keep
go.
looking. There's more over there.
More over here. Wow. Well, then find more eggs. Find a small egg. Find more eggs. Here, put in that basket. Let's find more eggs. Find an egg. Find more eggs. Find more eggs. Look, I found there. More eggs. More over there. Okay, more
Wow.
over there.
Go get them.
Okay, okay, more over there. More over there. There's more over there. There's more over there.
Mm-hmm.
There's more over there. See?
Is there more over here?
Yes. Okay, more over.
Cammy, is there more over here? Cammy, is there more over here?
Yeah.
More over here?
Yes. There's more over here. There's more over here.
Right behind you?
Another one. Okay, more over there.
I don't know, there might be more over here.
Eggs.
Is there more over here?
More over here.
Gotta look everywhere. Cammy, did you get all of them from over here?
No.
Is there more over here?
Wow. There's more over here. Wow.
Yeah. Any more eggs?
There's more eggs.
Any more eggs over here?
Yeah.
Is there any more eggs over here in the bird bath?
Yeah.
Any more eggs over here in the blue bucket?
Yeah.
Any
Those over
any
here.
more eggs over here?
Yeah. Those over here. Whoa, those over here. Those over here. Those over here.
Who's over there? Did you look over there by Daddy?
Yeah.
Are there any eggs over here?
No. That's right here.
Uh-huh.
And then the water.
Yes. And did you look in all the pots? Are there eggs over here? Any eggs over here? Eggs over here?
You see little trucks over here.
Are
Let's
they-
find another eggs.
Oh, let's see. Is there any other more eggs?
Let's find no more eggs.
Is there more eggs over here?
Here.
Did you look in all of the pots?
No, can't.
Did you look in all the pots over here?
No. I found another one. I found it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Then find more eggs.
Any more eggs?
In
Maybe in
there
this
for
pot?
yours, buddy.
Any?
Got stuff in here too.
Oh, I don't know. I found another one.
Good job.
Bowl. Here's on the bowl. Okay? Let's find more eggs.
What is that? Is that a shiny thing that maybe Nate should be looking for? Wait, what was that, Gamma? Is that a whole trail of shiny things that Nate should be looking for?
Oh!
Oh, he better beat his brother to those.
Oh my goodness.
Those aren't chocolate, Nate.
Wow. Oh, I found it. No, one more here.
Oh no!
No.
You want more eggs?
I feel like I'm Annie. I worked really hard to harvest those yesterday, so
Okay.
please keep them stuck.
Okay.
More over here.
I have blisters all over my hand from it.
Okay, well I worked really hard to get all those gold shiny things for you.
We're gonna find more eggs.
Keep looking.
Now I know where one is.
Let's find more eggs. Let's find more eggs.
Yeah, keep looking for eggs.
Find more eggs.
Sure you don't want to look for shiny things?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's find
We'll leave those for
shiny
Nate.
things. Come on. Follow me. Let's find more eggs. Let's find more eggs. Okay?
There's eggs right there. I don't think
Are there any eggs in here? Are there any eggs up here in the grapes for Nate? I don't know. Are there any blue eggs up over here?
Purple one.
One.
this one too.
Wow, what's all this over here? Crazy.
Here. Not here.
It's almost like someone left a trail to go to the trellis. Wow, Easter Bunny was nice to you.
No. Easter Bunny is a very mean bunny.
What?
How did you get it?
Any more eggs, Cammy?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's some more eggs.
Did you find them all, maybe?
Yeah. I want to go yet. Yeah, eggs.
Up.
There's the eggs.
Oh. You don't know where it is?
Hey, did you get all the eggs off of the trellis, Nate?
This for Nate. I got eggs for you. Too.
Did you get all off of the trellis?
I got eggs for you. And thank you. You're welcome.
The Easter Bunny is very cruel.
They're mine.
Ow.
They're mine. They're mine. They're mine. I pick one. Wait, one. I'm not a pick one. Not a pick one.
Maybe when you get as old as they'll be a little nicer to you.
Shoo!
Bless you, Yai.
That's a yes.
Get all the eggs off the trellis?
I don't know.
Look, Mom.
Did you get the blue egg off the front corner of it?
What's this?
I think so. What's that?
What's that? I saw something over there. I'm not really quite sure.
No. I don't want to do that.
Might find some eggs from last year even.
This is newt training, isn't it?
No.
Ducking into small spaces.
I don't remember the Easter Bunny putting anything down there. I don't think the Easter Bunny put anything low. He kept it high for you. Keep looking for shiny things.
Oh, there's more shinies?
Got a feeling there's more shiny things, Nate. I'd maybe check over here by the lavender.
I feel so incredibly stupid. Wait,
Oh, Dermot, it's
is this the last trail of shiny things? Because I want to find, like, the shiny things myself.
There and Fernandes say thank you.
Thank you.
All right, Nate, come this way. You might find a trail.
Papa! I just said that I didn't want help.
Can I say that?
Well, our arms are getting tired from video. Holding up the cameras.
More
He's
eggs.
getting dizzy from trying to get a shot, not tripping over all the time.
brown eyes, Susan. The wild flowers.
That's not lavender, Dad.
How much it costs?
That's larkspur. No? Larkspur?
Something like that. figured out there's stuff inside of those eggs, huh?
Well,
Here we go.
Mm-hmm.
I find another one. Find another one. Find more eggs.
So I'm probably
More penny?
okay.
That's find more eggs. Look, there are more.
There's more in there?
Yeah,
Wow.
there are more pennies.
More candies?
Is it red?
It's the red one.
I found this one.